Did you know that businesses with a strong online brand presence have a 20% higher customer retention than those without? Hello, I am Kritika Maggo from Business Wade, your business partner for digital growth. Let's explore the key steps to building a strong brand online and how it can help your business succeed. First, you need a professional and user-friendly website. Your website is often the first impression potential customers have of your brand. It should be well designed, easy to navigate, and mobile friendly. Social media is another important component of building your online brand. You need to create engaging and relevant content that resonates with your audience. This can include posts, stories, and videos that showcases your brand's personality and values. Online advertising is also a powerful tool for building your brand. With targeted advertising, you can reach your ideal customers and increase your brand awareness. You can use platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads to create targeted campaigns that drive traffic to your website. Analyzing your data is crucial to building a strong online brand. You need to track your website traffic, social media engagement, and advertising performance to see what's working and what's not. This data will help you make informed decisions and refine your strategy to build your online presence. Finally, engaging with your customers online is essential to building a strong brand. You should respond to customers and their inquiries and reviews on social media and review sites. This shows that you value your customer and care about their satisfaction. You too can create a strong brand online that drives revenue and helps your business succeed. Thank you and follow us for more such videos.